Moving into the Purvatasana once again, downward dog position. Get a good deep stretch here. And let's do it on the other leg. Three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, place it right in between your hands. If it is too much or too uncomfortable, yes, you can always place your hands on your knees. And one, place your hands down on the ground. And straighten your front leg out. Once again, try to reach to your knees. Right hand down. Take your left hand to the back and try to reach for the feet. Try to press the feet to your buttock and gaze to the front. Let's hold the pose for 30 seconds again. And relax. Place your hands, both hands on the ground. Tuck your toe and lift yourself up into a downward dog position once again. Pressing your heel down to the ground. One last stretch for the legs. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, right shin coming down towards the ground. And you are sitting completely, entirely with your body. Then go ahead and drop your hands to the ground and your face as well. Relax. Come straight up. Hold the stretch just for a while. We'll move into another stretch in the same stretch. So wide forward fold. Your hands are moving ahead. Slide your left hand under your right hand. 3, 2, and relax. Coming right up. Once again, tuck your toe back and lift yourself up into a downward dog position. Now the other leg. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, moving into a pigeon pose. Left shin coming right on the ground. Once again, try to balance on both the hips and lengthen through the spine. Do not round your back. If it is becoming too uncomfortable for you on the low back, then obviously go right down. Touch your head to the ground. That's fine. We all start somewhere. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Thank you for joining me with this post-workout stretches, and I hope you liked the video. So like, share and subscribe Utsav Yoga for more content. Have a beautiful day.